Hey, what's up? It's Sifu Kuttel and welcome to Tai Chi at Home. For this video, we're going to be focusing on our kicks and training and developing all aspects of our kicks, and we're going to be using a chair to do this. Now, I really like this style of training because the chair works in more than just one way. We can focus on using it to help us balance, we can use it as a target to kick over, and it just gives us a general area for intention where our opponent would be if we were actually kicking our opponent. So, get a chair, get some space, and let's get to work. All right, so now make sure you have enough space to do this. Take your chair, and then we're going to place it away from us, and we're going to use the seat back to help us balance. For this first exercise, just have one hand on the chair. You don't want to end up leaning on the chair. You don't want to rely on it to lean, but you do want to have it there as a place where you can maintain your balance. So if you're fighting for balance, you don't have enough weight on the chair, but if you are just totally tilted over, you have too much weight on the chair, okay? So we're going to start by raising our knee up and hold. Take your hand and put it on where your knee is at, and then drop the knee back down. This is where your current height is. So I want you to raise it up just a little bit, okay? Just enough to make you work a little bit harder. Now from here, we're going to do 10 leg raises and simply slowly raise the knee up to touch the palm of the hand. Now focus on your breathing as you do this, and it's good to even pause once you reach your hand. Again, focus on your posture, pay attention to what your posting leg is doing, and make sure that everything is still maintaining together. Don't really flex the shoulders, keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Now the second exercise we're going to do is the actual kick extension. Now you'll find you may not go as high up with the knee on this one, but that's fine. You're working on the part of the kick from when the knee is already up. So don't worry about super high kicks from here. We're going to take both hands to help us lean on the chair and keep that balance. Raise your leg up, and then we're just going to extend out and withdraw. And we're going to do this 10 times as well. Now you can alternate between toe kicks to heel kicks, or you can keep it specifically one type of kick. But we're going to use this as a way to work without having to fall over or fight for balance. The last exercise we're going to focus on is kicking low and high. Now again, we're just going to go over the seat. If you kick really high, then you can go over the top of the chair. But for this one, we're going to focus on going underneath the seat and then over the seat without putting the leg down, okay? So 2 kicks and then you can set the leg down. We'll keep the hands out to the side, raise the leg, kick low, kick high, kick low, kick high. If you're having a hard time with balance, we can set the foot down. So we go low, high, down. Or if you can handle it, we're going to do 10 alternating low, high. All right, so there you have it. Now, like I said, this is a great way of training because we have different ways that we can use the chair. I think when it comes down to training utilities, if you can find one implement that can help you multiple ways, it's a really good implement to have around. And in this case, a chair is super convenient. So this one, I do suggest you take the time to work on, just like any other at-home training. If you're going to work on it, do it every other day, 10 times of each exercise, and then try to make it a consistent routine over a month. Because if you only do this once, you're not going to see a big benefit in your training. True benefit happens over the long term. So with consistent training and when you set yourself, when you find your limit and you try to push past it, that's when you're really going to find the benefit of this. So let me know how this works out for you. If you have any other ideas that we could add to this, go ahead and drop that down in a comment below. Otherwise, make sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe. Till next time, this is Sifu Kuttel.